Okay, so this is my review for the Dyson DC58 handheld vacuum cleaner, and before I start I'd just like to thank Product Testing UK for selecting me to be one of their reviewers. Right, so inside the box you'll find the device itself, which is actually lighter than I expected to be, and it sits very comfortably in my hand. You'll also find three different heads. There's the crevice tool, a combination tool, and a mini motorised tool. There's also some paperwork inside. I've got a little booklet giving the brief overview of the Dyson company, the operating manual, which on the back has the guarantee for, and a very handy prepaid envelope for you to send that back to them if you don't want to do that online. So, for the purposes of this video review, I'll be using the mini motorised tool head to show the device in use. I've preloaded the carpet there with something for the device to get to work on, and here we go. As you can no doubt tell, it's a pretty noisy device, but it gets the job done, so you can forgive it for that. There's a boost button here on the back, which I'm sure is very good, but it will drain the battery life down from a length of about 20 minutes use from a full charge to around 5 minutes for a fully charged battery. Personally, I don't think I'll be using that function. Right, to empty the bin, you simply press down on this lever here, and the bottom just pops open, allowing you to remove all the muck and rubbish. The filter is also very easy to remove. You just simply pop it out of the top there, and it's recommended that this is given a clean gently in cold water around about once a month, and then allowed to air dry for about 24 hours before it's used again. So that keeps it in its best condition. All in all, I'd say that the Dyson DC58 is very easy to use, and it's extremely powerful for its size. It is quite high on price, but being over £200, but then it is a Dyson.